Today we're going to learn how to multiply rational expressions. What I mean by multiplying rational expressions is like, let's say that we have a problem like this, in which we have one fraction with the numerator and denominator multiplied by another fraction with the numerator and denominator. This works very much like the multiplication of fractions, almost the exact same. The only difference is that there are x's involved here. The way that we multiply fractions is we multiply straight across, the numerator times the numerator and the denominator times the denominator. So in step one, we go from the multiplied expression to the expression where they are already multiplied, and everything has just been put there together. So let's go ahead and do problem number one using that same idea. Again, the numerator times the numerator. I'm not going to distribute these. I'm going to keep them as is for the moment. So we will write out x plus 3 times x minus 4 in the numerator. And then the denominator, we're going to multiply x minus 4 times x plus 3 times 3. Because of the fact that 3 is not in a set of parentheses, it's just a number on its own, I'm going to write that first. But you can write that in whatever order that you want. The next step is to cross off any matching pairs in the numerator and denominator, such as what I've shown you on here, that x plus 2 is in the numerator and denominator, so we can get rid of those. X plus 1 is in the denominator and the numerator, so we can get rid of those, and it leaves it at this expression right here, because that was all that was left behind. So, same deal over here. Both of these have x plus 3 in the numerator and denominator, so they are gone. Both of them have x minus 4 in the numerator and denominator, so they are gone. Now, what we notice is that 3 is still in the denominator, so we need to keep 3 in the denominator still. It does not suddenly move to the numerator just because it doesn't look like there's anything left up here. Problem is, what is left here in the numerator? What is left, though, when we cancel anything with division is the number 1. My reason for saying that is some examples include that 5 divided by 5 is 1, 10 divided by 10 is 1. Anything divided by itself is 1. So since there really is nothing left in the top, all that's left is 1. And this expression right here simplifies simply down to 1/3. And that is how we multiply rational expressions.